Morning cadets, hope all of you are doing well. Everyone is listening to your main classes, able to do assignments which are given in Microsoft Teams by your main subject teachers, and able to do assignments in Google Classrooms. So last video regarding the spreadsheets, ranges and functions, we discussed types of references, mixed reference and absolute reference and relative reference. Then also we discussed different types of creating the formula, creating the basic formula, creating range as a formula, creating text as a formula, using compound formula, using range as a formula we discussed. Now today we will discuss about the mixed reference. The name itself contains mixed reference. It is a combo of both relative and absolute. You know that if you not put any dollar sign before row, before column, then it is relative. If you put dollar sign before row, before column of your cell address, then it is a absolute reference. So mixed reference में क्या है? Either row or column का बगल before if you put dollar, then it is a mixed reference. मतलब you can get like row का row में भी हो सकता है, नहीं तो माने dollar A like this, dollar A dollar A1. So this is A is applied as a absolute and 1 is a relative. So this is a mix of relative and absolute. Yes or no? In the same way, if you put A like this, here we applied dollar for the row, here we applied dollar for the column. So clear? It's a माने column को absolute हो गया, row को relative हो गया. इधर column को relative हो गया, row को absolute हो गया. So it's a combination of both. So based on this we will have one activity. You see that what is this absolute reference? You see once. Okay. It is a combination of relative and absolute reference. It's a combination of relative and absolute. Just now I shown. In this type of reference, either row or column has to remain fixed. Either row or column has to remain fixed. Dollar $A1 or $A2 is an example of mixed reference. Okay. So example there. See, let us calculate the actual monthly expenses. So they are given one sheet. Okay. Actual monthly expenses कैसे कर रहे देखो, clarity amount करके दिया था, charity amount. So actual expenses कैसे होगा? Is equal to $C4, C is remain fixed at minus D2. So देख रहे? So you can calculate that actual expenses by dragging that formula to another cell. Okay, charity amount है सबका तो same होगा, February month में, January month में सभी का same होगा. Okay, clear? So we'll have one activity on this this mixed reference. You see, I am making one serial number. Item, price, quantity. Item, price, quantity, value. Okay. 1, 2, 3, X, Y, Z. Price 20, 30, 15, quantity 2, pay 3, pay 2. Okay. What is the value here? What the value will become? See, is equal to formula function should start with equal to sign, that is, you know, price into quantity. So I am making E6 into D को कम करना है ना, D $6 कर रहा हूँ सर. क्वांटिटी वैल्यू कैसे आएगा? प्राइस इंटू क्वांटिटी. सो F $6 20 into 40। अगर मैं $6 को मैंने 6 को फिक्स कर दिया तब क्या आएगा देखो, सबका F6 ही लेगा। दैट इज देखो इधर F6 में ही हुआ, देखो F6 में ही हो गया ये बगल में, लेकिन ई वाला E7 वाला तो चेंज हो गया। अगर ये वाला फॉर्मूला में कॉपी करके इधर कर रहा हूं तो कैसे हो रहा है देखो, F6 से E6 हो गया, G6 हो गया, देख रहा है? Are you able to see? E से F हो गया। So in this way we can copy the move or formula from one cell to another cell if either row or either column will be remain as unchanged, then it is called as a mixed reference। either row or column, row अगर absolute और relative हो सकता है, नहीं तो column absolute और relative हो सकता है। Okay, then okay, if you want to calculate know the fact if some of the multiple cells there are that are not in range, yeah, we can do by separating address by comma value। clear? is equal to sum, so अलग अलग सेल में C4 में एक, C6 में एक, D8 में है, उसको सम करना है तब तो ऐसा कर सकते हैं। ओके, उसका भी एक एग्जांपल देखो। so now suppose I want to do sum of E6 comma G7 okay, G7 comma F6 F7L। so how you will get the sum of the different values by separating the comma values at a different places। you can do as many number of values। okay, cell reference of another sheet, yes, we can do the cell referencing from copying from one sheet to another sheet also। we can do with the same formula will apply। you can do the cell reference of one worksheet from through the another worksheet। this can be done in two ways। देखो ऐसा कर रहे हैं using copy paste option। so copy paste से करना है, click on the sheet 2 and enter the data which is shown in the figure, and click on the sheet 1 and tap, and now the cell now click on cell B11 and do the sum function is needed। okay, you copy the formula using the Control C and Control V that everyone know, copy paste option, and click on the sheet 2 tab, again there you give the different values and do the paste value, you will get the sum for the particular cell reference। so in this way you can do the cell reference from one sheet to another sheet also using sheet reference भी हो सकता है। it uses the sheet number, exclamation mark and cell address। for example sheet 1 dollar exclamation mark B4, let's try to use the sheet reference। okay, देखो टोटल का कर रहा है, click on cell C4, okay, C4 में type is equal to B4 plus sheet 1 exclamation mark D4 to add the incident element। D1 में D4 में जो sheet 1 में है वो सब add कर सकता है here, so that you can do। okay, we can add in that way। okay, clear? you can calculate the total salary of other cells by dragging the mouse also। तो sheet 1 से जो चाहिए वो add कर सकते हैं इधर। okay, it's very simple activity, we'll do one thing, that one। okay, sheet reference, yeah, for example I'm having the same I'm copying here, okay, to the sheet 2 in C5 से कॉपी कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, C5 से कर रहा हूँ, ये प्राइस में दे रहा हूँ, एक 35 दे रहा हूँ, एक 36 दे रहा हूँ, एक 38 दे रहा हूँ। so now if you go to sheet 1, so if I want to do total, that is sum, that is ये वाला E6 से लेकर E8, okay, close। now copy this formula 65, Control C, Control V to Control V option। okay, now you got the values of this particular sheet। okay, and another one also they told that sheet reference, that is I'm adding for example 20 plus sheet 1 exclamation mark F6 में जो वैल्यू वो ऐड हो जाएगी। देखा F6 में क्या है वैल्यू, देखो sheet 1 में 2 वैल्यू, okay, that is added in the sheet 2, देख पा रहे हैं। so that will be repeated when you drag the formula also। okay, here F7 हो गया, F8 भी हो, Clear? In this way we can do the sheet references also. Cell references, sheet references, both you seen. There are total 3 types of references. That is relative reference, absolute reference and mixed reference. Understood? Now we are going for the how to naming the sheet type. Yeah, the very simple. You know, most of you know how to name the sheet. See, you can name the sheet, rename. Yeah, you can rename and you can delete option. You can protect by password also. Okay, that you can do. Okay, these are the options you get. Okay, next one. Okay, naming the sheet type. Naming the sheet type. So by default, Excel displays 3 sheets in a worksheet named as sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Okay, next one. But we can add as many sheets also. जितना चाहिए उतना ऐड भी कर सकते हैं हम लोग. जितना ऐड भी कर सकते हैं. इसको क्लिक करो, जैसे से क्लिक करके we can add as many sheets whichever we want. Okay, next one. We can assign any name to these sheets. Yes, we can assign any name to the sheet tabs. Right click, sheet tab name, you will get the rename option. A pop-up menu will appear. So there you can click on rename. You can rename that option and you can do that editing, say whichever you want. Okay. Next. Change the color also. Yeah, functions very important. Changing color of a sheet tab. Yeah, changing color में sheet tab भी आपका color change भी कर सकता है. Okay. Next we'll have functions. Common functions. What is function? What is range? So using spreadsheets, ranges and functions we discussed. Now we are going for the functions. What is the function you see? What is the function actually? It's a predefined formulas in Excel which can be used directly. Which are predefined. माने इसका जो कोड है, sum का जो कोड है, macros है which are written inside the Excel worksheet. We can use the functions sum, average, count, okay, radix, power, square root. So we are having different functions available. So that all things we can use. Okay. The common functions like sum, average, count, numbers, max, min can be used to drop down arrow for the auto sum. To use other functions, click on more functions options. Okay, we can get the more options also. So what are the rules to enter? It's like a formula or function जो भी है उसको is equal to से शुरू होता है. That you know, all Excel functions should begin with the equal to sign. Function name must be valid Excel name. That is example sum, average. जो नाम दिया उसी को यूज करना. Function name must be followed by opening and closing parenthesis. Opening and closing parenthesis से करना चाहिए. Parenthesis contains arguments with it. Argument parenthesis के अंदर में arguments रहेगा. जो values है, जो ranges है, वो सब रहेगा. That is equal to sum with the function is equal to the rule for the starting for the valid. Then उसका अंदर में जो bracket का अंदर में जो लिख रहे हैं उसको कहते हैं arguments. Okay, clear? Using the average function. अभी तक तो आप लोग देखा है sum function. अभी average function देखो कैसे करना है. They are seeing, see. They are given the total marks, then the rules for their entering the average marks. See how they are doing. AVE average function is equal to bracket open, parenthesis open. Then you which one you want, range D6 है और C6 से जितना तक C12 तक जितना भी है class average you will get. Okay, C6 and last one is Muskan. They are showing that is C12. So C6 is to C12 within the parenthesis. Okay, drag the mouse, then you will get the total average between the oral and written. That is marks को divide किया oral and written अनुज का. So उसको दोनों का average किया था. So they are getting the average value. Closing parenthesis. So then press enter the button, then you will get the average function. Clear? So now you got the average, then you can drag that formula. So it will copy paste to the every function. Okay, clear? Next, to copy the formula to all cells in the selected range, press F2 and then press Ctrl plus Enter key. F2 करके Ctrl plus Enter करने से सब में आ जाएगा. Okay, so there are different functions. You see there, we will see all the functions and then after we will do one small activity. First one is sum function which gives the sum in a range, and using comma you can do the different values at the different cells. Average also range, find the average of the particular range. Odd, which will give the odd number of the nearest integer. Next one is int, integer returns the integer for the decimals points value. Next is a round function, how many rounds of the decimals you want to round it, that you can use it. Next one, exponential form natural algorithm का जो power of the number exponential form exp. Then square root function sqrt, these are all inbuilt functions. Okay, sqrt, power function, number comma power, return the result of a number raised to the power. And mod function, which will give the remainder of that value, return the remainder of the value after number is divided by the divisor. Sum, average, odd, int, round, exponential, square root, power, mod. Okay, these are the main functions. And min, max also there. Okay, min, max. See what is the different और functions क्या है देखो. Min, max, SIB functions. Okay, common functions. These are the common functions. Okay. Max function, which will give the maximum of the range, particular it is used to find the largest value in the particular range. Then min function, it also find the minimum value in the range. Okay, min function is used to find the minimum value in the range. Okay, next they are showing the activity of the max function. Okay. We'll have all functions cover करके हम एक activity करेंगे, ठीक है? Okay. Then the maximum value in the range B4 to BE4 is that 1000 that you are getting in the cell. Okay, showing that one tip you see. Similarly, min function and count function can also be applied in a range. Min function भी count function भी apply कर सकता है. Today it is used to display current date. Today date it is display is equal to today अगर लिखेगा तो आज का date लिखेगा, ठीक है? आज का date लिखेगा, open parenthesis and close the parenthesis, you will get the date. Clear? Next. These are the main functions. Using main functions, max function, count function, sum function, average function, exponential function, power function, square root function, okay, mod function, that all. Similarly, day, month, year, which function can also applied on the particular cell. Sometimes Excel may not be able to recognize the date you are specifying, may give value error because of the system datum sections. Okay, set control panel and choose the region. लैंग्वेज सिस्टम डेट पे जो सेटिंग्स चेंज करने से आप लोग को पूरा आ जाएगा. ओके, क्लियर? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द फंक्शंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी विल हैव वन एक्टिविटी ऑन द फंक्शंस. विद दिस आई एम गोइंग टू कंक्लूड दिस चैप्टर. ओके, फंक्शंस एक्टिविटी. Yeah. Serial number, sum, average, mean, max, count, power, exponential, square root, mod, and min, max, count, power, exponential, square root, and mod. Apart from this, other function. Date दे देते हैं. Okay, today's date. Okay, sum function, so I am writing here. Odd function, int function, odd and int function also. Okay, odd and int. Yeah, sum के लिए तो पता है. I am not required to tell. Everyone know. Okay, I am using the sum function. SUM sum. So former function should start with sum. What is the range? I am starting from 13 is to कहाँ तक करना है? E16 तक या नहीं E15. Okay, let's give the sum value. The same, give the average value using AVRAG average from this value is to E15. Okay, the average value got min function. Yes, same min. Again, I am using this range only. It is to E15. We are getting the min function. Then max function. So max function E3 is to same range. Again, I am keeping max function. Count function, which will give the min function is the minimum value. Average function will give the average of that range. Max function will give the maximum of that particular range. So अभी तक जो देखा सब range का ही देखा. Count का भी range और देख. Is equal to count. Is counting the values in that particular range. That is E13 is to E15. कितना numbers है? Total 3. That you will get. Okay. Range में कितना values है? That you will get. Power function. Yes. Power function means power function to the power 5. Power का जो syntax है देख लो. Is equal to power. Number क्या है? Which will keep this number. मैंने ये base. उसके बाद इसका exponent क्या है? 5 कॉम. मैंने base का उसके बाद exponent. 2 to the power 5 32. 2 to the power 5 32. ओके. एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म का क्या है देखो, क्या सिंटैक्स है? exp रिटर्न्स अ नेचुरल एल्गोरिथम रेज्ड टू द पावर ऑफ नंबर 2. पावर नंबर log 10 log वैल्यू जो है वो जो आएगा देखो इज इक्वल टू exp द वैल्यू. आई एम यूजिंग दिस वैल्यू ओनली. So this is log 2 value will get. Okay, logger than that. Square root of 625. That you see. That is sqrt of this 13 value. What's the value? 25. Okay. Then mod value which gives the remainder value 52 3. Okay. 52 5 will do. Okay. That is equal to mod number. What is the number? This is the number. Divisor. Put it. So what is the value? 2. Remainder कितना? 5 divided 52 10 times and leave the remainder 2. So mod value will give the remainder. Next, odd, which will give the odd number nearest to the 52 or 52. Let's say then 30. 53 is the nearest odd number for the 52. 63.25. इसका int करेंगे देखो तो int o. So what is the nearest integer? It will get 63. Next we'll have one more is round function. Round is equal to round. कितना digit करना है? So we'll keep this value only. 3 to 1 digit. It is round figure to 1 digit. Okay, clear all of you. Next, today function, that is equal to today open parenthesis close parenthesis. Okay, you got the today's date, that is 2. Clear. And day function, that is also you got day function. day का नहीं है क्या? serial number. This is the day. डे मैंने ये टुडेज में आज का डे है, सेकंड का है. ओके, क्लियर. And using range as a formula we seen, using all the different functions we seen. Okay, clear. Understood all of you? Understood? Okay, to do this activity in your textbook. Okay, hope all of you understood. With this I am concluding today's event. Okay, thank you boys, thank you. Stay safe, stay home. Based on these functions we'll have one assignment also. Okay, thank you. Hope all of you understood sum, average, odd, int, round, exponential, square root, power, mod, min, max, count. Okay, these are the main functions which we discussed. Okay, thank you boys. Stay safe, stay home, stay prepared. Signing off.